Oh. Hit. Ah. Am I still recording?
Come around the corner. He was completely out of cover though, so he needs to trade it.
Okay. Goddamn bee, go away. Oh, I got him. He's out. Good shit. That was good.
Yeah. I was watching the whole thing. I saw him flanking. He had you, him, and another guy's back all to him. He would have got all. He got you, but then he took him out before he could get any more of you guys. Now it would have been game over right then.
I was lucky that somebody was in the same spot as me, and he got out, so people thought nobody was there.
Exactly. That's what he thought. He said because you didn't peek too much, so he didn't know you were there at all.
Yeah. I'm really lucky I got out when I did, because my mag was out of ammo.
Oh shit. I got
6, 9.
I like your mask. I like how it's got the goggles all imprinted into it.
Send one, said.
Okay.
Huh?
I love that gun.
Oh, Recon 9-inch?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's awesome. I love it.
They're great. Multiple fire modes. Love it.
Yeah, we both have the same one.
Oh, that's good, dude. That's a trace meter, right?
Yep.
Damn, that's snappy.
Nip. What's my boyfriend?
What did he say?
Oh man. Now.
I'll take us all out right now.
4, 8.
How's it going?
Hey, buddy.
Is it straight ahead?
Go ahead.
No? You get behind cover just in time? Yeah.
Everyone.
Everyone will see me pull it up, they're like, oh crap!
That's a lot of BBs. That's scary. That's gross.
Guy right here at this plus, left side.